She's on a strict diet, that's my baby. I'm feeling better, but I had a rough morning. It was one of them days. It started off real normal, but I had to go to the dealership and it wasn't going the right way. And at some point in this story, I definitely said something you can only tell somebody in the COVID outbreak. I definitely told that lady I'm putting on pants. So it starts out normal. Wife and I getting along. We get up early in the morning. Phone rings. Hello? This is he. Okay. How much? Nah. That's crazy. What? Charge me for the loaner? Okay. I'm putting on pants. Click. My wife comes around the corner. She's like, what's wrong? I was like, man, they're trying to charge me $350 for some oil pan leak. I was like, they just fixed this car. She was like, oh, I said, yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was like, get dressed. We're going to the dealership. I got to have the loaner back in 10 minutes or they're going to charge me for an extra day. So we're heated. She puts on a sweatsuit, her COVID mask. I put on a pair of shorts, jump in the car, speed up the street, get to the dealership. I'm standing there and I'm like, all right, can you explain to me what you was telling me on the telephone? And I said, my car's old. At 3 years? How old is your car? Nah. Then she starts coming up with excuses. She's like, maybe you hit a pothole. I kept thinking maybe I hit you, but I don't. I never said it. And she's like, well, do you want to see a manager? I said, yeah, 10 minutes ago. Because we actually had this conversation for like 10 minutes before she decided to offer the manager because she wasn't going to be able to help me. So manager steps out and he's like, hey, I'm sorry. My name is Brian. I'm the sales manager here. How about you guys come and step in my office? Now, meanwhile, my wife hadn't said nothing because she started a COVID mask all up around her mask, all around her face, and she's just looking back and forth. Looking at me, looking at the lady behind the counter. Looking at me, lady behind the counter. Never takes the mask off, then we shuttle off to Brian's office. He says, I apologize. Looks like it's only 5 weeks ago we changed your oil and now there's an oil problem. Seems like it's, not your fault and you guys get on out of here and I apologize. So I've calmed down. I feel like I've won, but as I start to feel better, I start to feel worse because I'm like, man, I was really going at that young lady and her friend over there. So I look at my wife and I say, hey, babe, I think I should, go apologize to those young girls before we leave. And she still got her mask on. She goes, I said, all right. So I walk back around to the counter and I go, hey, ladies, I apologize. I want y'all to have a good rest of your day. And one of them, she just goes, those ain't pants. Yeah, messed my day back up. I was feeling good, messed my day back up. So the only way I'm going to fix this day is to make some fruity drink and try to get over it. So today we're going to learn how to make a Beachcomber. It's a delicious rum drink made with white rum. We're going to use pomegranate liqueur because pomegranate liqueur is actually what grenadine comes from, but I learned something new. If you add some simple syrup to it, you can sweeten it right back up like grenadine. Triple sec, fresh lemon juice with a nice sugar rim. So let's get started. So first, cut your lemon in half. And then one of these halves, just cut a little wheel because we're going to use that at the garnish. A little slit on the end. Grab your mixing glass. Now, the other half of that lemon you want to just use to rim your martini glass because we're going to put sugar. Blah. 2 ounces of rum. Half ounce of the grenadine substitute pomegranate juice. Same thing with the triple sec, half ounce of that. And again, I'm gonna use a 1/4 ounce of the simple syrup because I make it strong. And then finally a half ounce of some fresh lemon juice. Top this thing off deliciously. Guess what we do from here? Shake it up. Can't believe that lady told me that at the dealership. Maybe I hit a pothole. Throw your garnish on there because it's sexy. Look at that. Beachcomber. Sip and enjoy. Hope your day gets better.